Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to delete apps and services activity in Microsoft account. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply log into your Microsoft account. Having logged into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to simply come to this sidebar right here, go to privacy. So under privacy section, you have to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on apps and services right here. You can see activities. Click on that. Then you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have everything right here. You can delete them one after the other. So for you to delete them one after the other, what you need to do is simply click on here and clearing. As you can see right here, in a few seconds, it will be deleted and wiped off. So you can see, so you can go on and delete them as much as possible. Or better still, you can come down right here, click on show all activities. This allows you to see all the activities you have on your apps on Microsoft account. You can scroll down and choose which one you will like to delete out of everything right here. So once you see anyone you want to delete, simply select on it and delete it. It's as simple as that. And whatever you delete right here, it cuts across all Microsoft products that you are using. So basically, this is how to simply delete apps and service activity on Microsoft account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.